Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing the Caltracs that I told y'all. It's a 2010 GMC Sierra Single cab. Basically these are the parts right here. They sell two styles. They got the Caltrac application, the flip kit application, and then they have the ones for like stock trucks. Those work for like up to a 2-inch little lift or whatever. And then these right here, these go attached to the first part of your leaf springs. Pretty badass. And then somewhere in here, you have your bushings. The original bushings get pushed out and then these get pushed in. Make sure to use grease on these. They send you some cream lube, whatever, clutch brake application cream, but I just use regular lithium grease. And then it's the same thing, but just for the other side. Same thing as basically your new flip kit. And then right here you have your bars. Just try not to make a mess, man. These things always do a mess. Bunch of peanuts. These are your new bars right here. One end comes reverse thread, and the other one, so you can adjust it. Put a wrench on here and adjust it and everything. I already have the truck on jack stands. Pretty much already jacked it up. Let me show you guys. Right here. It's already on jack stands, the truck and the actual diff. That way I have room to play. Over here, I already loosened up the 21s for the shackle. And then over here, you're gonna need a 24. You can't really see it. You're gonna need a 24. And then if you want to use the tip of the bowl, I believe it's a 12. They're kind of on there real good, so use some DW40 and then just loosen it up. Don't forget to unbolt your shocks from the bottom. And then pretty much the driver's side is the one that's more of a pain in the butt. I already have it down though, just need to get over here. The way you do this one, you have to drop the gas tank just a little bit, not completely, but just a little bit for you to get that bolt out. That strap right there, and then there's another one on the other side. They're 15s. The way I usually do it on the ground, I just use a jack and I put a piece of wood on the bottom just to hold it up, and then I just push it off to the side a little bit once both straps are kind of off, and then just get that bolt out of there. And on the leaf springs, that's not the bushing that gets pressed out, it's the one in the front, and then you replace it with those aluminum bushings that came in the box. Again, use a bunch of grease. Right now I'm just gonna finish getting the leaf springs out, push those bushings out, prep them, and then push the new ones in, and then I'll show you how it looks. Another thing we've been doing lately, we've been cutting a few inches off the first leaf spring. That's just so it doesn't hit your bars. On mine, it hit the bars a couple times, so I'm probably gonna replace the bars and just get them powder coated a different color, something different. But yeah, literally on these trucks, I've been cutting that way it doesn't hit your bar a little bit. It leaves like little dents on it. I didn't really like that. But yeah, let me finish this up and then I'll show you guys the rest of the process. Alright, so check it out guys. Pretty much got it all on there. The bracket, the bushings, the old ones got pushed in, the new ones got pushed in. We had to cut, and I have a new one for y'all. So apparently on these 07 to 13s, they have these little metal brackets right here with the rivet. So just cut the rivet off, get it all off. You're gonna have like a little nipple of metal here. You can just shave that down. Throw some black spray paint on there, Rust-Oleum. Then over here, this is what I was telling you about the ear. We cut off like about 3 inches and 3/8. You can do 3.5, more than enough. Because this part is gonna hit the Caltrac bars. So just cut it off. That way you have that free, so you can adjust them and everything, and then it won't scar them or do anything to them. But yeah, 07 to 13, cut this off, because if you don't, you put this on there, you put the bracket on there, bracket's gonna be on this, and it's not gonna sit right, and that's not the way it goes. I haven't had to do these on the 1418s. There's none of that cutting involved. You can cut this or leave it, it's up to you. But yeah, this is the leaf spring pack. Bushings pressed in there, ready to go. Obviously you have to drop the gas tank a little bit, not all the way. It helps to loosen this up, you know. The bolts, T27s, there's a little clip you could get. Just loosen it up, that way it drops all the way down. And just put everything back together, just like if you were gonna do the drop. And then your old flip kit, you're not gonna use it anymore. Just the actual saddle. And you're gonna be installing these. And then you can just screw the bars on, adjust them, take it for a test drive. If you don't like how it feels, adjust them again, take it for a test drive. If you like it, leave it. If not, take it for a test drive, adjust them again till you get it to the way you want it. Well guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Just adjust the Caltracs, tighten everything up, torque everything up to spec, and you'll be fine. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram, Orlando_2010, or just hit us up. Phone number 713-501-5105. We out.